Shandong, China, January 9, 2025. Recently, the cities of Yantai and Weihai in Shandong Province have experienced rain, snow, strong winds, and extreme cold, bringing great challenge to people's travel. At present, the first round of widespread rain and snow in the south of this year is still continuing. On January 9, it was still in a core snowfall period, and there may be light to moderate snow in some areas. At the same time, the cold air moving southward brought coolness to many places in south along with rain and snow, and the southwest and other places were obviously cold and wet.
山东烟台和山东烟台，看看这大雪啊，这一阵特别大，比我早晨下来。
哎呀，哎我。
According to the meteorological monitoring, light or moderate snowfall occurred in Xinjiang, Heilongjiang, Jilin, Liaoning, Shandong, Qinghai, and the northern part of the western Sichuan Plateau yesterday, and heavy snowfall occurred in places such as the Li Valley in Xinjiang, Yantai, and Weihai in Shandong. In the next 3 days, the snowfall in the north will still be scattered and not too heavy. In the south, the first round of large-scale rain and snow this year will continue. Its influence will gradually diminish from tomorrow. The meteorological department warned that this snowfall in the south may bring 1 to 5 centimeters of new snow to some areas in Guizhou, Hunan, and other places in plateau mountainous areas. Possibly more than 10 centimeters. Pay attention to preventing slippery roads, snow and icing, and other adverse impacts on transportations, productions, and life. At present, the cold air continues to move south. Many places in the south will also experience cooling, and the low temperature will last for about 2 days. The maximum temperature is in the east of southwest China to Jianghua and Jiangnan generally dropped to about 5 degrees Celsius today. Among them, Guizhou and Hunan were accompanied by rain and snow, making it cold and wet. In addition, there will be strong winds in some sea areas in my country today. There will be strong winds of 7 to 8 and gusts of 9 in the Bohai Sea, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, South China Sea, and other seas in the region. The Central Meteorological Observatory will continue to issue a blue warning for strong winds today. The Central Meteorological Observatory predicts that after the impact of this cold air, there will be a new wave of cold air affecting our country from west to east, from the 10th to the 12th. However, due to the weak strength of the cold air, it will mostly bring slight cold and strong winds to the northern regions. Regarding the weather, the public is advised to pay attention to the current weather and wear clothes to keep warm. Meanwhile, at around 6 a.m., the snow in the city continued to increase. and the snow removal and anti-slip teams used the method of clearing snow while falling and spreading an appropriate amount of snowmelt agent to ensure smooth traffic in the city. By 7 a.m., the main and secondary roads in each district met the requirements of the roadbed can be seen. A total of more than 1,430 professional snow removal teams members and more than 1,100 snow removal equipment and vehicles were assembled, including 325 snow shovels, 328 roller brushes, and 176 spreaders, 105 loaders, emergency vehicles, and 178 small snow removal equipment. On the afternoon of the 9th, the Municipal Urban Management Bureau will organize the urban snow removal team to continue working to ensure the travel needs of residents.
那个缝跟人家咱走了。
完全看不到人了都。